Christmas Eve, 2009. I mean Christmas, oh my goodness, Christmas Day night, not Christmas Eve. And the girls aren't doing their gifts and it's late, they should be in bed. What you doing? What do you have, Hannah? What's in your hand? That's your horsey? What's your horsey's name? Hey fella, what do you have?
What? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, did Tinkerbell lose her boot? Uh-oh, we should put it back on. Can you say Merry Christmas? Bella, say Merry Christmas. Good girl. Hannah, say Merry Christmas. Look at the camera. Hannah, are you stuck? Uh-oh, Tinkerbell's stuck. Hannah, look at Mommy. Hannah, look at Mommy. Say Merry Christmas. Do you like Christmas? Bella, do you like Christmas? Don't eat that, please. Say bye-bye.
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 Christmas is fun.